Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a project in focus video of a luxury development by Cebu-based developer AppleOne Properties Inc. But before we dive into the project, let's talk a little about Cebu. Mactan, Cebu is rated as Condé Nast Traveler's Top 20 Islands in the world. Mactan Island is just an hour away from Manila by plane. It is easily accessible via the Mactan Cebu International Airport, which offers numerous domestic and overseas flights. The project is approximately 10 meters away from the airport and 19 kilometers to Cebu City. Residents can savor local delicacies such as dried mangoes, my personal favorite, coconut wine, street snacks, and the world-famous lechon. When people travel to Cebu, lechon is often the first thing that they look for. Of course, they also have superb fine dining at restaurants, offering a wide range of cuisines, or you can also deepen your knowledge of the region's rich history by visiting destinations like the 16th century Basilica del Santo Niño, Magellan's Cross, the 18th century Fort San Pedro, and Lapu-Lapu's monument. There's also the Taoist Temple in Cebu. So I remember these sites when we went there for our college field trip. Or if you are an adrenaline junkie, you can get your adrenaline pumping with numerous adventure activities within Cebu, such as canyoneering. So this exciting outdoor activity entails traversing canyons and jumping into natural pools and mini waterfalls. The trick is not to think about it. Just count 1 to 3 and then jump, because that's what I did when we went canyoneering years back. We started with 7-foot canyons and graduated to jumping off the side of a 75-foot waterfall. It was crazy, but it was so worth it. So you need to try it if you're ever going to Cebu. They also have cliff diving, skydiving, rock climbing, and caving. Now back to the project. The project that I'll be sharing with you today is the residences at Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort. And this project is situated in Punta Engaño Road, Lapu-Lapu City, Mactan, Cebu, along an immaculate stretch of private beach with spectacular views of Hilutungan Channel and Magellan Bay. It is developed by AppleOne Mactan Inc., which is the premier development arm of AppleOne Properties Inc. They are a real estate developer whose roots are deeply entrenched in over 20 years of construction business in Cebu. A natural progression to this expertise, AppleOne eventually ventured into property development with a growing portfolio to boast in real estate, agriculture, financing, hotel, retail, food, and commercial developments. The company's projects include their flagship, AppleOne Equicom Tower, and AppleOne Banawa Heights. Actually, they also have a beach resort here in Cagayan de Oro, which is called Apple Tree Beach Resort. It's our family's go-to place whenever we want to go to the beach. Sheraton Hotels and Resort is part of Marriott International Inc., with nearly 450 hotels in over 70 countries and territories around the world. Sheraton is the most global brand within Marriott's portfolio. Marriott International Inc. is the world's largest hotel company based in Bethesda, Maryland, USA, with more than 6,200 properties in 125 countries and territories. Marriott operates and franchises hotels and licenses vacation ownership resorts. The residences at Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort seamlessly combines contemporary design with tropical aesthetics and a local touch to create visually appealing buildings that are comfortable to live in. It has a total lot area of 2.8 hectares with a residential tower and courtyards villa. The residential tower is 22 stories high and it is divided into 2 sections, the north wing and the south wing, with a maximum of 6 residences per wing. So that's only 11 units per floor with a total of 154 units. So it is a very low density development, meaning there are fewer people in this space. The courtyard villa is composed of a 4-story building with a total of 36 units that come with their own private plunge pool. The resort building itself naman is composed of a 10-story building with 262 guest rooms and suites. So for those of you who want to try out Sheraton Mactan, you also have the option of checking in their resort. The project was launched in December of 2016 with target turned over this year, June of 2023, with a total project cost of 4 billion pesos. They offer 3 unit types, a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom unit that range from 62 square meters to 132 square meters. So the cuts are quite big compared to standard 1-bedroom units of other condominium projects, which is usually just about 30 to 40 square meters in size. The 1-bedroom and 3-bedroom units are sold out, but there are still 2-bedroom units available. So these are not your average condo units. They are luxury condo units with world-class quality, as they bring the prestigious brand of Marriott International. Their 1-bedroom unit is about 62 square meters, 2-bedroom unit is 132 square meters, and their 3-bedroom unit is 270 square meters. They also offer 2 unit types for the courtyard villas, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units in a loft style that range from 161 square meters to 260 square meters. Unit prices are between 58 million to 68 million. So their 2-bedroom loft unit is 161 square meters, while 3-bedroom again is 260 square meters. So this project is the first Sheraton branded residences in Southeast Asia. It offers an unparalleled world of luxury and convenience, showing us the best of resort-style living. So literally, you see paradise at every turn because Cebu, the beaches there, especially in Mactan, are beautiful. Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort offers 5-star amenities and services for both guests and residents. The residences at Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort is defined by clean lines and luxurious materials such as natural stone, rattan, marble, plush fabrics, and wood. This project has won several awards as well, such as the Best Hotel Interior Design and Best Luxury Resort Development in Property Guru Philippine Property Award. The residences was also awarded as the Best in Condo Interior Design and Best Branded Residential Development in 2022. The residential tower is already 90% sold out, while the courtyard villa is 58% sold. Now let's go to the site development plan. Here is the development layout. For the residences, we have a main entrance over here. So you can see the locations based on the map, the layout, the sales pavilion, and then we have residence drop-off, residential tower. So for the residential tower, we have upper ground, residence lounge and library, a function room, lobby. So for the amenities level, we have fitness center, steam rooms, kids area, yoga room. And then for the residential, we have the courtyard units. And then we also have lagoon pool, kids pool, residence, guest parking, and beachfront facilities. Now for the resort, we have separate parking allocated for the resort, and also a basement parking entrance, resort drop-off, resort tower and lobby lounge, ballroom and pre-function area. We have all-day dining, a cave bar, function lawn, DJ booth, specialty restaurant, terraced pool, leisure pool, kids pool, bus parking, jetty area. And then we have the chapel area, spa and fitness center, which is located in the lower level, and kids play area located in the lower level. Now let's check the layout of the units. For the 1-bedroom unit at 62 square meters, we have a balcony at 12 square meters, a pertinent parking slot. The inclusions are air conditioning, induction cooktop, range hood, oven, microwave, island counter, built-in cabinets, washer, dryer, refrigerator. And then for the 2-bedroom unit, it's 154 square meters. Again, the balcony for this one is slightly bigger at 14 square meters. And then parking slot. Inclusions are air conditioning, induction cooktop, range hood, oven, microwave, island counter, built-in cabinets, washer, dryer, single door refrigerator. So it's practically furnished already. Now here's a sample computation of the units. Now, for a one-bedroom unit at 68 square meters, total contract price is 21.6 million. Reservation fee is 100,000. Now, equity at 20% can be spread over 12 months at 425,000 per month for 12 months, or 18 months at 283,000 per month for 18 months. And then 80% can be financed by the bank. That would be at 152,000 per month for 15 years at 7.5% interest. Now for the courtyard villas, for a two-bedroom unit, that's about 146 square meters. Total contract price is 54 million. Reservation fee is 200,000. 20% equity is about 1 million per month for 12 months, or 714 per month for 18 months at no interest. And then for the bank, 80% loanable, that would be at 382,000 per month for 15 years at 7.5% interest. And then we have another two-bedroom unit at 161 square meters. Total contract price is 56.1 million. Reservation fee 200,000. Again, 20% equity, roughly around 1.1 million in 12 months, or 739,000 per month in 18 months at no interest. Bank 80%, it's about 394,000 per month for 15 years at 7.5% interest per annum. So all the units come with one parking slot already, located on the lower and upper ground levels. So here are the unit features. Modular kitchen with prefabricated modular cabinets, bathroom cabinetries, MDF laminated closet finish, master toilet and bath with 5 fixture baths, 2 lavatories, a bathtub, shower, and toilet, air conditioning, concealed duct split type inverter unit with in-living area and bedroom. So for the laundry area, included na yung washer and dryer. For the doors, it's solid core veneer with fire-rated feature. General doors are veneer with solid core finish. For the windows, it's double glazed with low E on the exterior side. For the flooring, it's engineered wood planks in the living room and bedroom, and marble in the bathroom and kitchen, tapos ceramic tiles on the balcony. They also have a la carte services, so in residence housekeeping, laundry, dry cleaning, pressing, a seamstress in case you want your clothes adjusted, in residence botanical service, 24-hour in residence maintenance, and 24-hour in-residence dining, in-residence catering, grocery shopping and delivery, business center, a personal assistant, secretarial services, and courier service. So basically, you would be living a life of luxury here in the Sheraton. And that's it for today's project in focus. Prices may change without further notice. If you want the updated inventory and price list on this project, send me an email. My contact info is in the description box below. And if you would like my free ebook on my guide to buying property in the Philippines, then send me an email so we can email you the book.